history in the making. It's
One,
my
two.
two. Okay, now history in the making. Oh, look, it's rising.
Yeah, that's right.
It's my blood.
Antibody test.
It's antibody test, AmeriDx.
Yes.
So let's see. It's either negative or positive.
It's almost halfway there.
So what should happen if it's positive? What should happen if it's negative?
If it's positive, then it'll show a line next to T letter. If it's positive, and if it's negative, it'll show a line next to C letter.
Okay, so if it's a,
Okay, let me give you a different one.
it's okay, it's okay. If it's a positive, then
it'll show a line next to T.
next to T. So if there's a T, then which means I have antibody.
That's correct.
And then if it's at the C line, that means I have negative.
That's correct.
Okay, so the top one is negative. So we'll see.
Yes.
It's developing. So far we don't see any line yet. And then I'm watching the process. My name is Yulin Shu. This is my test.
And you just begin to see the line now next to C. You can see a line going across.
Oh, congratulations, me.
That's right.
So that means like I'm negative.
So far.
Good job.
Yes.
Yay! Good job. Bye-bye.